introduce this camera, 4K HD dual camera, which was situated over here. When we connect to Wi-Fi, then it's operate. Second is flying time, 10 to 12 minutes per battery. There are two batteries in it. Third is charging time, approximately 60 to 100 minutes. 8 need a charge. Fourth is control range, 80 to 100 meters. We consider the range of Wi-Fi. Fifth is battery, 3.7 volt, 1800 lithium battery. When we have to fly this drone, we need the permission of local police.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Amir Kolekar. My name is Sharmila, and we are from class 9. Today made a water purification. This water purification model is not based on electricity. It is based on some natural materials. This is stone, this is coal, this is sand, and this is cotton. When the dirty water is put in this cup, it gets filtered by the stone and then by the coal. By doing so, it gets purified by the sand and cotton as well. Therefore, when the dirty water is put from this cup, it gets clean until coming to this cup.
Thank you.
Now you can see the farming side speed.
Good morning.
My name is Rumal Khan. I am from class 9B. My project name is earthquake resistant building. So the concept of the earthquake resistant building has come from the Japan, because in Japan the earthquake is occurring frequently. So the earthquake resistant building is a building when the earthquake occurs, the energy producing the earthquake directly goes into the ground and it dissolves the energy. And so because of the dissolving the energy, the building remains safe. The objective of this building is to protect human life, reducing the cost of reconstruction of buildings, etc. So the earthquake is of two types: light earthquake and major earthquake. Light earthquake has magnitude 4.0 to 4.9. In this situation of earthquake, building may shake and have minor cracks in it, but the human life inside that building is 100% safe. On the other side, on the major earthquake, it has magnitude 7.0 to 7.9. In this situation, its building have a heavy structural damage. And in some cases, it happens that building does not resist the power of the earthquake and it can't survive. But the human inside it is 100% safe because of the earthquake technology. Thank you.
Good morning.
Today we have an automatic parking system. When the car comes, it detects the car, open the gate for it. Another car comes, it detects the car, open the gate for it.
And it gives signals and controls are here. All the information is given here about the year.
As you can see that it is used in malls, airports and hotels.
This was all my
It is used to reduce the manpower. And this is the display which showing the slots right now. What is available and not.
Now you can see the parking is full right now. The gate will not open and it will show that the slots are occupied.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Kirti Sharmila. I am from class 9K. Today I am presenting to you the internal structure of ear. This is outer ear, also known as pinna. It is very flexible. It is a strong membrane which is made up of bone. This is cochlea. Here is the eardrum. This is middle ear and this is inner ear. This membrane is made up of the same strong bone which is used here. When we hear something, the eardrum catches the sound and it transports it to the cochlea. The cochlea gives the information to our brain through nerve cells. Then it gives signals and controls our hearing. When we hear some loud noises or some anything, then our eardrum gets affected to it and it starts bleeding. Therefore, we have to take some precautions while hearing some loud noises or music. And this is all the information given about the ear. Here is the real life depiction of the ear and it is a diagram. It is labeled all the parts and components which we have in our ear. So this was all my time. Thank
Bye.